Today I'm just going to be showing you how to clean your chains with nail varnish. This is just some stuff that I got from the supermarket, and I've got some spray on lube. So to start off with, we're just going to dip the brush into the nail varnish and then just start scrubbing. Clean off all the road dirt. You might have to do it 3-4 times. So I've done my first pass. It still needs a lot of cleaning. It has this like chain wax stuff that was put on it when it was fitted. I personally don't use this because the reason is you get all the road stuff just stick to it, and it's very hard to get off. So I avoid trying to use it. So now I'm just gonna run the towel through in between the links and see if I can get some of the dirt off. So as you can see, we are started getting the dirt off. So I'm just going to try and go through all the links with this, and I'll get back to you when I've done that and we can see what it looks like. As you can see, that one as well. So this is what it looks like after scrubbing. I've cleaned it off with the towel as well. It's got a lot of pitting in it because over the winter I didn't clean it as much as I should have. So word of advice, clean your chains a lot more in the winter because you're going to have a lot of road salt on it. I would probably suggest that you do it like once a month, especially if you've got a gold chain like mine and you want to keep it in good condition. Yeah, do it once a month. Now we're just going to grab the chain lube and apply it, so let me just go get that. As you can see, I've got a spray lubricant. As I said earlier, I like using these products better because with the wax stuff you get all the road stuff stick to it. With this you don't seem to get as much stick to it, so I would suggest that you use this. As you can see, try and get into all the links. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention this at the start. Find your split link, start there, and then obviously when you come back around to it, you know you've done the whole chain, so just start off with doing that. I'm going to put the camera down now and I'm just going to apply the lubricant. So as you can see, come back to the split link, so I know I've done the whole chain now. There is quite a lot of excess, so I'm just going to wipe the wheel off with the towel and just go around the chain just to get the excess off. So let's do that. Try not to actually wipe too much of it off, because obviously you're just wiping off what you've put on. So this is what it looks like in the end. It came out better than I thought. It's still got the pitting in it obviously, but it's come out quite well. So I've just gone round and as I said, I wiped off all the excess from the wheel and the chain. So that's the end of the video now. Hopefully you got something useful out of this. Please let me know down below if you did. If you could subscribe, give me a subscribe. If you could ding dong that bell for me, that would be great. Thank you.